My name is Amie Simpson. We are the only standalone county legal aid organization left in existence outside of Cook County. We've been in existence since 1974. We have a staff of 4 full-time attorneys. We help low-income and senior citizen residents of Will County, and we provide free civil legal services. I carry a full caseload, and I'm sort of the chief cook and bottle washer. I have a passion for domestic violence. I was a victim myself at one time, so I know what victims are going through and how hard it is to deal with the situation that you're in.
Orders of protection cases, very few people have attorneys. They're in crisis very often, and you need a cool head and somebody who knows the law. She's a very good attorney. She also has great empathy for her clients, but she doesn't let that get in the way. It's the law that she has to rely on, not just the feelings in her heart. She does let her brain take over and do the best job as she can for her clients.
We had one client who had been trying to get an order of protection for a very long time. She had been married to the man for about 40 years. When he was angry with her, he would take her head and slam it into the wall. So after decades of this, she had sort of a boxer's demeanor, somebody who's been hit one too many times. If you didn't know better, you'd think she was drunk all the time because she slurred her words. She had trouble focusing. She had tried to get orders of protection on her own and been completely unsuccessful because every time she went in, the judge thought she was drunk and wouldn't grant her an order. We were able to get her an order of protection, get her abuser out of the house, and we reunited her with her son, who she had been sort of estranged from because he had grown up watching her get abused and had just left. Once I got the order of protection, then we actually pro bonoed the case to a private attorney who did the divorce. She stops by periodically and she just wants to say she's happy and she just wants to say thank you. And that's a beautiful thing.
Her impact on victims of domestic violence really can't be measured. There's just nobody on her level of knowledge and ability and commitment to that particular issue.
Victims of domestic violence go back between 5 and 8 times to their abusers. And I have clients who I've been working with for 10 years. Eventually, they start to come out of the cycle. To me, that's a real joy to watch that happen. In Will County, the state's attorney doesn't do orders of protection. There is nobody else out there to help ensure that these folks get a voice for equal justice. It's a very rewarding place to be. It's a lot of responsibility, but it's a very rewarding job.